From the ends, cause our ace never been a prick.
Yeah!
Broken niggas from broken homes.
Yeah!
Baseball bats and broken phones.
Yeah!
Them man there, that's grind to the bone. Rob Daily, always with a chrome.
What?
Them man there are real to the bone. Break the rules and I break your nose. Blood's all running from your broken nose. When we go studio, 20 man goes.
Yo, what is up, guys? Guys, get here with another reaction. Gunshot. And today, guys, we're hearing Daily Duppy. Once again, don't mind the steering wheel. I play a truck simulator. I stream that on my gaming channel, which is JAMAICA'S Gamer. So I'm gonna follow that. Also Twitch, the same name. Go follow that. So anyway, today we are here reacting to Daily Duppy, Real Artillery. Secretly, I've been waiting for this Daily Duppy because I know it's gonna be fire. I rate that youth here. In bad. Big up Stinks also. Stinks, big up yourself, my G. Alright, me rate him, my G. Big up yourself, bro. So, you're gonna jump in another one here and you're the G I said. So let's get it, man. Let's get it, dog. I'm excited.
Parabellum.
Yeah, I know about that pain, it was the virtue. Growing up in the old, used to jump up on the church roof. Had a one-on-one with my doggy, but we just worked through. Know about them set up chickens trying to jerk you. Know about that fight around attack to beat the curfew. You know about doing 10 summers and it weren't you. Or rest that hot nozzle on your jacket and it burns through. Donnie got hit with an eagle and caught bird flu. You know.
Danny got hit with the eagle and caught bird flu. Bomba clot! Lyrics! Youth! 30 seconds of the song and you go and say already, my G? Brother! Danny got hit with it. Not Danny. Donnie got hit with it. Eagle and caught bird flu. Me blood clot.
Nozzle on your jacket and it burns
Burn
through.
you.
Donnie got hit with an eagle and caught bird flu. You know about that feeling just before you step, nerves do. Helmet on, jacket on, brushing off your work boots. Careful of them whispers, cause the devil might hurt you. Always give thanks to your Lord, he might curse you. Mind how you're running through them walls, it might earth you. Mind how you're drawing out your sword, he might burst you. And I ain't perfect cause I really done dirt too. I was repping old block just like Little Dirt's crew. That was back in 04 when we were on the purge too. Then I left the gang thing, yeah I'm grown now, my shirt's new. So please don't provoke me cause I put that on my word too. Moved out the hood, when I come back I might have skirt true. Man and put the boots down cause now we got youths now. Either man was running from the law in a shootout, or on a man's block I kick the 4 and knock a tooth out. I thought
Dog! Works! You go on some G? What the fuck? You the man just say why they got listen.
back, I might have skirt true. Man and put the boots down, cause now we got youths now. Either man was running from the law in a shootout, or on a man's block I kick the 4 and knock a tooth out. I thought
I the man black and kick the 4 and knock a tooth out. Let me say kick the 4 and the 4-4 I'm talking about, brother. And the 4-5 or the 4-4 I'm talking about. Anyone of them in there? What?
beat 3 off, but I only pushed 2 out. I get his car washed the 4 and knock a tooth out. I thought I beat 3 off, but I only pushed 2 out. I get his
Man say I thought I beat 3 out, but it only pushed. Brother, that can mean anything, you know. In Tim saying things saying beat 3, but when him check back I only 2. You know why I'm thinking? Yeah, you know why I'm gonna think that? You see them 2 there? When knock, sound heavy and loud and echoey. Sound like 3 the man beat, but a 2 dog. Bumbo clot.
car washed the jet spray the whole roof out. Jump back in the car, high five
Where's that?
2 out. I get his car washed the jet spray the whole roof out. Jump
Man say, get the car wash and just spray the water. Go on,
Back in the car, high five and then we move out. Your name starts calling all because you got drew out. And then it goes left, you might air that man flew out. J Lars walk onto the wing, all the man them knew. Makes sense of this thing cause I'm hawking man in twos. I was on the fours, giving orders to the twos. At one stage, I was giving orders to the screws. See monkeys on the bars like you walked into the zoo. If you talk tough, I just give the order and that's you. Everybody.
Man, I say, man, done at prison. Man, done at jail. Lobster tail him eat. This is the thing there. The blood clot there. Done at prison too. Done at road. You know the code? Man say, man, get the arm others to screws. Think a little boy do that. Big man.
Bars like you walked into the zoo. If you talk tough, I just give the order and that's you. Everybody wants stand up, but can't handle their bang up. Be real with yourself if you want out and put your hand up. Cause enough man are good.
Enough I wanna go like a bad man pan road. Stay off of the road and go on the sidewalk. That's why they make the sidewalk. And when the time comes for you to get to the blood clamor thing, you no care manage it. You see me? You no care manage it when the time comes for you get to no sentence. You no care manage it on a chat. On a squeal like pigs. Squeak. Be a man and put your hand up my G. Be a man and put your hand up my G. If you can't manage it, stay off of the fucking road.
Can't handle the bang up. Be real with yourself if you want out and put your hand up. Cause enough man had good parents, never got drag up. Everybody's gang up to their bridge and get stab up.
Good parents you grow with. Remember say you used to go to church, tuck in your bumbuckler, shirt in your pants. Remember say you used to sit on church front bench. Remember say when you go to school, you sit down in front of the teacher. Remember say you're a good youth. Remember say you was a prefect in school. Remember you was a head boy. So don't go like you're a bad boy. Don't make friend push you. You're not bad. You smell bad, you're not bad. Bumbuckler you. See an alien? See an alien? What? Bumbuckler. Skirt.
Enough man had good parents, never got drag up.
Yeah.
Everybody's gang up to their bridge and get stab up. And your other friend was there and he did nothing but stand up. Now there's trouble in your camp and nobody wants to man up. Now they praying each other, tell me how can that add up? I never took a bad up or raised a white flag up. I just take out my 4-4 spinners and zip the bag up. Missed them days when the older the boss was getting tag up. I can't even talk to my man, he a sore liar. Keeping my arms reached, don't wanna go to war higher. I used to get that get that raw fire. Aussies are that white, but that lethal B was more fire. I ain't glorifying this life for adding extras. I'm changed now, but my past life it was treacherous. Never went uni, can't tell you about no lectures. I was with the Goonies, I could tell you about stretchers. Don't know about I'm about that Game Boy Tetris. Never had a 9 to 5, getting up for breakfast. Tell you about a 9 of white, send it up to Stepford. You tryna be a bad boy, I grew up in the trenches. Before Anting was expensive, don't know about WhatsApp, I'm too used to texts. You see why I only deal with real G's. Next tip you in the T, focus on your P, rock a Z quick. Where would you be without I? You ain't X shit, put up in the S3, RS death wish. Better chill, money take a L, that's a death kiss. Used to get out the D, now none of them can F this.
Fuck. Used to get out the D, now none of them can F it. Yo, that you done it in that class by himself, brother. The man just talented dog, no joke, man. Second song on here we have 17. Buckler.
Every single bar I'm about to drop right now is from 04 to 07.
Yeah?
Where that real shit started.
Yeah? Every single bar what I'm about to drop now is from 04 to 07. Make we see how much ahead of his time he was. Let's see. I'm waiting to see this. Make we see this. Ready? Let's go.
We get down on the ends, we make the pounds, we hold rounds in the skeng, we clap the beef, we get down on the ends. Crack is more than brown on the ends, but brown is worse than crack on the ends. So I'm pitching like rugby on the ends, chilling where the fox be on the ends, with a 9 mil when a snub be on the ends. It's all real, I'm strapped on the ends, full clip and the Mac on the ends.
Yo, tap man, Bumbuckler, Are, what you do to me? Tap man, tap, Bumbuckler, Are, brother, what you do, brother? Oh you go, so dog. I deal it up, we are, brother, what happened to you? Chill the fuck out, dog. Oh, Buckler, me G. What? You hear the old school beat? You know hear the old school beat though?
Every single bar I'm about to drop right now.
This is different. I love this.
This is where that real shit starts.
Look up for this, ready?
We get down on the ends, we make the pounds, we hold rounds in the skeng, we clap the beef, we get down on the ends. Crack is more than brown on the ends, but brown is worse than crack on the ends. So I'm pitching like rugby on the ends, chilling where the fucks be on the ends, with a 9mm when a snub be on the ends. It's all real, I'm strapped on the ends, full clip and the Mac on the ends. I blow your heart out of your back on your ends, I'm back on the ends. I ride with a skeng, before I bang I get high with a skeng, like this could be the last time with a skeng. So know yourself on the ends, cause heartache's never been a prick, never, bro. Be without I, you ain't extra shit. Put up in the S3.
I've gone too far. Yo, bomba clot. Yo, I'm tired, dog. I'm tired, dog. Bomba clot. Yo, ready?
Every single bar I'm about to drop right now from 04 to 07. This is where that real shit starts.
That's something I set up. Me not sit down again.
We get down on the ends, we make the pounds, we hold rounds in the skeng, we clap the beef, we get down on the ends. Crack is more than brown on the ends, but brown is worse than crack on the ends. So I'm pitching like rugby on the ends, chilling where the fucks be on the ends, with a 9mm when a snub be on the ends. It's all real, I'm strapped on the ends, full clip and the Mac on the ends. I blow your heart out of your back on your ends, I'm back on the ends. I ride with a skeng, before I bang I get high with a skeng, like this could be the last time with a skeng. So know yourself on the ends, cause RA's never been a prick.
Yeah!
Broken niggas from broken homes,
yeah.
Baseball bats and broken phones,
yeah.
Them man there that's grind to the bone, Rob Daily always with a chrome, Them man there are real to the bone, break the rules and I break your nose, blood's all running from your broken nose, when we go studio 20 man goes, this is rider music, if you don't ride or bang this ain't your music, this is how we do shit, better man wanna grab the line and do shit, some are real, some ain't even seen the 2 spit, I've seen the 4-5 remnant and do shit, man wanna ride that high, wanna do shit, give him the gun, he's like how do you use it, you know about being on a block, and pitching to the fiends that's living off the rocks. What you know about gel? Soap on a sock, I bust your head and ride it broke on the block. What you know about wax? When they cock or blocked, and I man for his big boy watch. Been through the sticks, the clips, the shots. Ran through the rays, the cribs, the blocks. Recently, man start sound like me to me, but they could never compete with me. Nah, they can't beef with me. I'm in beef where niggas wanna beat at me, but I don't slip, I keep the heat with me. And that shit sleeps with me. I bust my team, they can't bust like me. Cause I've been greasy since I was young, 13's the first time I bought a 8.
Lift up! What? Man, lift up that bomba clot. Lift up. Alright, what the fuck there, youth? You did the things, so youth? Alright, chill, dog. Alright, chill, brother. You man get out of my seat, brother? Ready again, dog. Hold on there, man. Top. Bomba clot.
To me, but they could never compete with me. Nah, they can't beef with me. I'm in beef where niggas wanna beat at me, but I don't slip, I keep shots. Ran things that's living music. This is how we do bones. Break the rules and I break your nose. Blood's all running from your broken nose. When we go studio, 20 man goes. This is rider music. If you don't ride or bang, this ain't your music. This is how we do shit. Better man wanna grab the line and do shit. Some are real, some ain't even seen the 2 spit. I've seen the 4-5 remnant and do shit. Man wanna ride that high, wanna do shit. Give him the gun, he's like, how do you use it? You know about being on a block. I'm pitching to the fiends that's living off the rocks. What you know about gel?
Not really, man. Why was talking about beef? Tell my man, shut up, Stormzy one now.
Soap on a sock, I bust your head and ride it broke on the block. What you know about wax? When they cock or blocked, and I man for his big boy watch. Been through the sticks, the clips, the shots. Ran through the rays, the cribs, the blocks. Recently, man start sound like me to me, but they could never compete with me. Nah, they can't beef with me. I'm in beef where niggas wanna beat at me, but I don't slip, I keep the heat with me.
Yeah,
and that shit sleeps with me. I bust my team, they can't bust like me. Cause I've been greasy since I was young, 13's the first time I bought a 18. I clapped it off and caught me one. We got real guns and 41s. Repeat my bars, I'll ride past in a car. Repeat the 9-star and leave your life scarred. You can't live the life I live, the way I live the life I live is hard. I was in jail with man and facing life behind bars. No, they can't beef with me. I'm in beef where niggas wanna beat at me, but I don't slip, I keep the heat with me. And that shit sleeps with me. I bust my team, they can't bust like me. Cause I've been greasy since I was young, 13's the first time I bought a 18. I clapped it off and caught me one. We got real guns and 41s. Repeat my bars, I'll ride past in a car. Repeat the 9-star and leave your life scarred. You can't live the life I live, the way I live the life I live is hard. I was in jail with man and facing life behind bars. I put my life in my bars. Hear it sounds in the car. Time to ride, I put my life in the car. No strap them, you'll get the knife in your heart. Forget the dog, you see the 9 when it barks. I'm in the hood, I firing sparks. Surrounded with nothing but lion and sharks. Reason that R8 took
yo, no, stop. Bomba clot, stop. Hold on, man. Alright. Who give you the idea you fi do all this? Hold on, man, wait. Bomba clot, wait. No, man. No, man. No, no, No. No to bumbo clot. Alright. Move your bumbo clot, dog. Had that me I tell you right now, dog. Move your bumbo clot. You deaf? You're too bad, youth. Me have to tell you about that one the legal. You're too bad, youth. Them can't fuck with them, G. Them can't do it, brother. Man go old school. Think man a old fool?
No strapping, you get the knife in your heart, forget the dog, you see the 9 when it barks. I'm in the hood, I'm firing sparks, surrounded with nothing but line and straps. Reason that R8 looks greasy. I've been through shit, believe me, fly the PO with no stick, easy. We got cats on the phone like feed me. So gun talk is my language, like stars, don't be a part of the sandwich. Don't be a part of something that you don't want part of, or you might end up part of RA. Back again, daily I roll with a match again. And I don't wanna go pen again, but if I go pen I'll lose the gang and I'll be pissed.
Drop mic. Drop headphone and walk off. Me block.